Okay, we have to run, but first we have to OKKS, ZAP 9, KSU 5, period 01, 2024, ZAP 1, execute, has not been created. Okay. Okay, number of receivers 3, senders 1, number of messages. Cancel, line items. Okay, now these are some of the details that will go into these cost centers. Okay. So it is all salary, the other one, rent is not going. We'll have to see why. For that, CRO, controlling. Statistical key figures, maintain, send. Okay, send, master data, employee fixed values, EMP, okay, let's run it. That's not ZAP 101 is on background processing to compute. One, two, start immediately, confirmed, is ready. Okay, ascent 37. Finished. Okay. Full list, double click. This cube, click. Cafeteria charges and assessment is done. Yeah, assessment is done. Okay. Okay. Next is distribution cycle. In this, we have two options, three options. Scenario is that plant admin charges are to be shared between three cost centers based on different criteria. Cycle 1 for salaries, rent, and vehicle maintenance. Segment 1 for salaries. The other is for rent, vehicle. Option 2, cycle 1 for salaries, rent, and vehicle maintenance. Segment 1 for salaries, rent, and vehicle and maintenance. So one segment for all, but we'll use option 1. So option 3 is cycle 1, segment 1. Assessment cycle 2 for rent, segment rent. Cycle assessment cycle 3, vehicle maintenance. So we have 3 options. We'll go for 1 cycle, 3 segments. Okay. And this is easy to actually maintain because you can actually maintain cycles for your production cycles. So these production cycles can be based on production order, okay, or month wise. That's up to you. Okay, so we'll go for option 1. But for that, we'll create um, it has 0, 1 across center, and that cost center will be X1011. Okay, 0, 1. Plant admin, admin. Administration, because this is admin. Hierarchy area, ZAP 9. Okay, ZAP 9. And for center will be blank. Save, enter. Okay, this is done. Now let's go and create RKIV. Sorry. Distribution cycle. Okay, but for that we need can ZAP 9 change groups. RKIV. Actual overhead. Distribution assigned element to group ZAP 9 to 0, 9. Okay, RKIV. Okay, save. It has been saved. KK02, KK01, KK01. Okay, this is already done. EMP is already made. We've already seen that. Okay, now we'll go for next one, that is KD31N, and that is entering the SKF. Okay, dates. Zero two one 01.01/2024, 01.01/2024. Statistical key figures. The receiving will be 101 EMP, total quantity 75. Next 1002 EMP 25. Next 1003 EMP 200. So what we are actually giving margins that whenever plant admin will distribute, it will distribute on the basis of these percentages. Okay, we posted. It's posted under 909. Okay, now next part is creating the distribution cycle, SPRO. Controlling, percent accounting, actual postings, period end, closing, distribution, define distribution. Okay, now we will distribute from plant admin to these three cost centers. Okay, now create actual distribution. Now actual means actual cost that is being zapped to start date 0101. Okay, execute. Okay, plant admin cost administration. Okay, it will be iterative and attached segment. Attach segment. Segment will be called SAL, and that will be salary distribution. Sender rule will be posted amount shares will be 100%. 100% of it will be transferring from plant admin to these cost centers. Okay. Okay. Actual values, origin. Receiver rule will be variable portions that we have already mentioned in 25, 75, and 200, and it will be actual statistical key figure, which is EMP. Okay, so this is the cycle. This is the cycle. Sender, receiver. Now over here, the cost center is sender is X1011. Okay, cost element is 4500. Okay, 4500. Receiver cost center will be prod. In that, we have three cost centers. Okay. Next is receiving tracer factor. Statistical key figure is EMP. Okay. Attach segment. Now, next segment will be rent. Rent distribution with the same settings. Actual, plan, statistical key figures. Receiver rule will be because rent is always the same. Okay, sender receiver X1011. Cost element will be 400. 600. Cost center receiver will be prod, and okay, X101 over here is 25, 50, and 2001 will be 25. Okay. Attach segment, vehicle distribution. Fixed percentages, posted amounts will be 100, and it will be actual values. Okay. Sender receiver, cost center X1011. Cost element 400, 203. Prod Prod. And what else? What else do we need? Fixed percentages will need percentages. 30, 60, and 10. Okay. Save. Okay. Overview segments. We have salary, rent, and distribution. And okay. Overview segments. Vehicle distribution. Vehicle distribution. And 400 203. Save without check. Okay. FS 00. ZAP 9. 400 203 is not there. Okay. Now, next is FB01L 0101 2024 0101 2024 400 500. Okay. 45,000 X1011 4,400 600 27,000 X1011 40 is 400 203. Vehicle maintenance X1011 200 6901. Okay. Display post. Okay, 107. 107 was posted. Now let's run the distribution cycle. Okay, period 1 to 1 test run. What was the cycle? ZAP 2 0101 2024 test run execute. Okay, receivers are 9 because we gave the tracing factors. So this is okay. No need to go into details. Test run, background processing, execute. Start immediately, confirm. Is active. Okay. Now let's check the scheduled job. SM37 scheduled, execute, distribution, refresh, refresh, it is finished. Double click, click, and it has actually senders is 1011 X1011 and receivers are 3 for salary, for rent, for vehicle. Okay. Okay, this is done. Now, cost center report, KSB1, KSB1. Now, in KSB1, cost center is 1011 and 201 dot. Okay, 90,000. This was posted. Okay. X101 to X10, no, 2001, 10, no, 103. Okay. Uh, Select layout. Okay. Over here, we posted in AED. It is coming here in USD because this controlling area. Currency, we have business transactions, it is showing over here. Okay. And what else? I mean, this is all showing in USD, all converted. Okay. Okay. Next step. Next step, cost element. Cost element is 400 to 203, 400, 500, 400, 600. This is another way to okay. 103. It will show segmented as per cost element also. Okay. We'll have to actually change the layout. But anyways, let's move forward. Let's move forward. Next is S underscore ALR 8 S underscore ALR 870 and 111. Yeah, it is showing over here in cost element segmented ones. Okay. Centered group for values. X1, X1, okay. Over here, we have cost center group, all of the cost centers. Over here, we have cost elements, plus this is the secondary cost element, which only is supervising distribution and allocations. Allocations, not distribution. So we actually mentioned in allocation, during allocation in the last lecture, the allocation cost element, which is secondary cost element, cafeteria charges. Okay. So vehicle maintenance, salary, rent, cafeteria. For this body shop, for assembly, for paint shop, this is another way of looking at cost center reports. Okay. And because if this is missing again, if you notice this, if this is missing, then there was a problem with statistical key figure segment. We didn't attach tracing factors. That might be the reason. That's why this is not showing it. Okay. So, but anyways, I mean, it's posting, it's working. Uh, let's move forward. Next is S01. Next 1006. Enter. Okay. Jim. Uh, allocation. Now this will be used for allocations. Zap. Okay. Zap 9. INR. Center. Enter. Okay. X1006 is created. Next is FS00. Vehicle maintenance. Copy. 392. 392. City charges. Save. Okay. This is done. This will be used again. Okay. Next is gang. What was that? Uh, okay. Periodic repostings. Now we'll study periodic repostings. Okay. Next is KK01. Electrical units. Gang is basically when, now this is a business transaction, RKIB, RKIB. Whenever there's allocation, distribution, or reposting, these business transactions are hit. Okay. And for that, it has to generate document numbers. So CANC basically, it supplies the document numbers. Okay. We've already defined the document numbers. I'll just show you again. Okay. Intervals. We have this interval 09 to 099. Right now it's 9099. So it will be, next will be 9100. Okay. So where do we get this from? These groups which are activated with assessment, distribution, postings. Okay. Periodic repostings from here. Okay. KK01 EU. Okay. Master data will be electrical uh, electrical units and kilowatt hour, fixed value or total value. Total value, of course. Total value. Yeah. Save. Okay. Okay. Now let's create periodic reposting cycle. Cost center. Actual posting, because these postings get carried out at period end. So these are actual postings, actual overheads that we have created. Okay. Periodic repostings. Define periodic repostings. And let's create periodic reposting. 01. ZAP 3. Remember to keep these names separate. Enter. Primary cost repost. Okay. Iterative. Attach segment. Now, electricity bills reposting. Okay. Posted amounts 100, actual values, variable portions, and type will be statistical key figure, which is EU. Okay. Now, sender receiver X1006 and cost element will be 400 392. 392. Prod receiving tracer factor tab EU, which is electrical units. Attached segment. Rent. Reposting. Okay, and posted values and fixed percentages. Now we will have to give percentages as well. Okay. Sender receiver X1006 400 600. Prod receiving tracer factor, and that will be 50 20 30. Okay. Okay. Save. Okay. Let P01L. Uh, 400 92, I guess. Electricity charges 45 X1006, because this will be used for reposting. Yeah. Okay. And rent 400 600. That 9106. Why? 106. KS02 01. Save. FP01L. 400 392 45 X 1006 40 600 27,000 X 1006 50 200 691. Okay, 109 was posted. Okay, next is AB31N. Let's stop over here. Let's do it in the next.